Okay, we will insert the belt into the track. To make it easier, we put a buckle on with the belt. Put a buckle here, and then put a carrier holder. Okay, to insert it to the track, just to make it easier. Okay, probably this way is easier, so the belt can go through the track. Okay, when you run it, make sure the belt is on the channel. Sometimes they slip out. Make sure it's inside. All right, inside the channel on the track. Okay, so once we got through here, we take it out, and then we get one of the drive unit. We put the belt inside the drive unit. Again, to make it easier, we put another buckle here. Since the buckle is inside the track, so we want to be buckled this way. Okay. We get a carrier holder. Again, we run through the track. Okay. So we got more here. Okay. So we got a belt here. So we take off the buckles. Now we have to line up this drive unit to the track. Just touch it, don't go inside, just barely touch it, okay, just touch it. On this side, the belt, we want to align the belt with the track exactly at the edge. Again, this side here has to be like touching it, don't go in. And here, we want to make it exactly at the edge. Okay, so we want to pull it a little bit. Okay. It's exactly at the edge, and this is aligned. Okay, what we will do is put a mark here. We put a mark here at the edge right here. Put a mark here. Okay, so we know the mark is there. Now we still keep that the same. Don't move it. And here, we move it a little bit, enough for us to put another mark here. We want to mark here also. Right at the belt at the edge, right at the edge. We mark here. So we have two marks. Now, here, we have a mark here. We'll cut the belt on the mark, okay? And cut one of the teeth. See? The mark here, you don't want to cut on the teeth, right? So you want to cut like complete, like on the curve right here. So you want to cut it. Okay, so we cut the belt here. Now back to here. We also have a mark here. From this mark, on that teeth, we can't. This is the first one. We can't line more. Okay, so we will put 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the first one and then total 10. Each mark is representing one teeth, one of those teeth. Okay, so we have 10 here. Now we will go back here. We got the markings. We got to put back the bell inside. We will come back here to this. On the further end of the track, we put a buckle, put up the buckle on it, on the very end of the edge. Very end of the edge, put a buckle. We lock it this time, okay? With this one, we lock it. With the side buckle, we lock it. Okay, we lock it. Also put the carrier holder. Okay, we put it in here. And come back here. Come back here. Since we have the marking here, right? We will put another one of these buckles. Remember, this one face inside here, okay? So on the right next to the last marking, right? We have 10 here. Right next to it, do not cover it though, okay? Do not cover it. Just right next to it. That means the 11th teeth, okay? We want to mark the 11th. We want to put the buckle on the 11th teeth. Right? So we still see 10 markings here. Okay, that's the first one. And then we lock it. Then we lock it. Okay? And then, right next to it, we put one more. Put one more. Remember, leave one teeth. Leave one teeth. Then we put one more here. Right? There's one teeth here. So we lock it. It doesn't matter up or down first. As long as we put it in and lock it. Okay? So we have two. We have two here now. Then we put the carrier, one of the carrier, onto it. Now we insert it back. That's the first carrier. That's the first carrier. Okay. Again, don't close it yet. Now back here. We have one here, remember? Now we're going to take care of this one by insert the second one, right? So we pull some, the second one, second drive unit. Once we slip in, we can probably turn this, but we have to make sure the belt didn't get stuck. Okay, so we got a second drive unit, and now we put the next buckle. So we put the next buckle. Again, this one face inside the track, right? So we put the next buckle on it, and we should lock it here. Okay, we're supposed to lock it here, right? So once we lock it, we put it inside another buckle, another carry holder, and then insert it. Okay, and then we will. Now, before you close it, we want to add the runners. We can add runners as many as you want. Okay, and then the loop stopper too. And the loop stopper, you probably want that to face the carrier. If this one is facing that way, so this one has to face this way, because we're going to put one here, face this way. And the same thing over there, so we put eyelet inside here. And a stopper here. Okay. Now we can close it. Okay. First, now be careful. Don't force it. So we want to pull. We want to pull this carrier. Pull this carrier so it can go in. And it's supposed to go here. Okay. We lock it inside. Again, don't force it. Just make sure the belt don't cram inside. And here also. Don't close from here. Close from here. Okay, we're gonna pull it here, and then we need to. Okay, got it. Okay, and this one. Now you wanna make sure the bell runs smoothly. Now, if you feel something is too tight or they're not moving, it might be too close. So you want to loosen it a little bit. You want to loosen it a little bit. Okay. So when you get it in, don't get like really too tight. You want to get it just right. They can close together. Okay, just right. They can close together. Okay. Okay. Now, once the track is moving back and forth smoothly, now we close this one by inserting the E-spacer. Okay, and then one of this. To be this way. And don't forget this plate. Okay, so that's a dual motor track.